Good morning, students. Next level biology. This is Sreeram, MSc Life Sciences, AP Set qualified. Today, I want to discuss about a very important topic for Neet is respiratory regulatory centers. The topic is respiratory regulatory centers. Respiratory regulatory centers in man. Very important for Neet. One is a respiratory rhythm center. Respiratory rhythm center. Next one is a pneumotoxic center. Pneumotoxic center. Third one is a chemosensitive area. Aortic arch and carotid artery. What I wrote on the blackboard, they are useful for regulation of respiration. That is respiratory rhythm center, pneumotoxic center, chemosensitive area, aortic arch and carotid artery. So first one is a respiratory rhythm center. It is present in the medulla oblongata. It is present in medulla oblongata. Pneumotoxic center is present in pons varolii. Pons varolii. Chemosensitive area is present in medulla oblongata. I wrote on the blackboard where they are located in the central nervous system. So here this is a midbrain, this is the pons, the medulla, the spinal cord. This is a pons varolii, this is the medulla oblongata. So first one is rhythm center. This rhythm center is located in the medulla oblongata. It is located in the medulla oblongata. I am using here a red mark, red dot here. That is the medulla oblongata. It is responsible for the major activities of respiration. It is useful for the major activities of respiration, which including inspiration and expiration. Second one is a pneumotoxic center. I am using blue color. Pneumotoxic center is present in the pons varolii. Blue color one is the pneumotoxic center. This is the pneumotoxic center. P for P. Respiratory rhythm center present in the medulla oblongata. This pneumotoxic center is playing vital role. You are having inspiration. Like that you have to inspire something. After inspiration, expiration is caused. After inspiration, There is the expiration. In between inspiration and expiration, there is some transition time is there. The transition activity is there. The transmission activity is controlling by the pneumotoxic center. So here, this is the pneumotoxic center, which is a moderate the activity of respiratory rhythm center. It is useful for pneumotoxic center is moderate the functions of respiratory rhythm center, and also it decreases the decreases it decreases the inspiration rate, it decreases the inspiration depth, a rate of the inspiration is increases, depth is decreases, rate is increases. Depth, for more depth is there, rate get be decreases. More depth, rate get be decreases. Less depth, depth is becomes low, rate get be increases. Depth is more, rate of the inspiration is becomes decreases. More depth, less respiration rate. So here pneumotoxic center is not only moderate the functions of respiratory rhythm center, and also it decreases the duration of inspiration and alters it and promotes the inspiration rate more. Very, very important for Neet. Among the following, which respiratory regulatory center decreases the duration of inspiration and promotes the respiration rate is a pneumotoxic center. Pneumotoxic center is located in which portion of the brain? Like that, they present in A. cerebrum, B. pons, C. cerebellum, D. medulla. So answer is that is located in pons veroli. Primary rhythm center is located at which portion of the central nervous system? A. cerebrum, B. cerebellum, C. pons, D. medulla oblongata. Answer is medulla oblongata. And third one is chemosensitive area, that is located in brain. There is the chemosensitive area located in brain. I am using green color. For rhythm center, I am using red color. For rhythm center, I am using red color. For pneumotoxic center, I am using blue color. For chemosensitive area, I am using green color. Green center area is a chemosensitive area located at medulla oblongata. Chemosensitive area is a very, very important respiratory regulatory center that is useful for maintaining the levels of H plus ions in our body and CO2 concentration in our body. That is regulates H plus ions and CO2 gas in our body. In our body, for example, you are walking at roads, you are inhaling somewhat carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide levels are increased in our body. Immediately, our chemosensitive area want to eliminate CO2 with the help of primary rhythm center. They send signals to the primary rhythm center that causing the expulsion out of that carbon dioxide. And in peripherally in central nervous system, these chemosensitive area playing important role. Similarly, the same function compensated at peripheral sides of the body other than the central nervous system, that is aortic arch and carotid body. So this is our heart. Here there is aortic arch is there. There is the aortic arch, and there is the carotid artery is there. There is the carotid artery. At aortic arch and carotid artery, there is some bodies are there. There are some bodies. These bodies are recognizing the excess amount of CO2 and H plus ions are increases in our body. They are also playing important role for elimination of it. There are the two important structures are involved for elimination of elimination of CO2 from our body and maintain H plus ion concentration at the equilibrium present at central nervous system other than the central nervous system. In central nervous system, chemosensitive area is there, that is present in a medulla oblongata. That is present in a medulla oblongata. Here it is the medulla oblongata at which it is present. Both are having same functions. Questions. Ask like this in the Neet. Name the structures are useful for elimination of excess amount of H plus ions and CO2 levels other than the central nervous system are A. Carotid arch, B. Carotid artery, C. Aortic arch, D. Both B and C. Answer is carotid artery and aortic arch. Next question they ask like this. In which region chemosensitive area is located? Medulla oblongata. In which region pneumotoxic center is present? Pons varoli, P for P. In which area rhythm center is present? Medulla oblongata. Which structure is essential for increasing the rate of respiration? Pons, that is the pneumotoxic center. Name the structure useful for the vital role for the regulation of inspiration and expiration. Rhythm center. Name the structure useful for elimination of O2 and maintaining H plus ion concentration equilibrium at central nervous system. Chemosensitive area. So this is about the respiratory regulatory centers. Very, very important topic. I think this is very clear to you. This will benefit to you. For Neet, please read carefully and thoroughly. If you want, if you like this, if you want like this, if you subscribe my channel and share it and like it. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best, my dear students. Thank you.